Thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can play the intro for this song. This is Feels Like Tonight by Daughtry. I'm going to show you two different ways you can play the intro, just in case you maybe have learned it a different way or something like that, or you learn the rest of it a different way. And then I'm going to show you how to play the rest of the song, okay? So this was requested specifically, especially the picking for the intro part. That's why I'm going to spend so much time on it. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. I love the requests because a lot of times they're for songs I haven't heard before and stuff, or songs I haven't heard in forever, like this one. So anyway, yeah, let me know if you have any questions or requests or anything, and I'll do my best to oblige. Please also hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with your requests or other songs you want to learn. All right, so let's do this thing. All right, so this guitar, whenever I use this guitar, it's because I leave it always tuned a half step down. I hate tuning a whole song, tuning a guitar, like every string for like one song or something like that. So I leave one in standard tuning, that's my other one, and then I leave this one in a half step down, okay? So here's how you do it. All right, so for the intro part, remember this is a half step down. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna play it like G at the beginning, okay? So you're gonna put your pinky, goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, and then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? Then put your middle finger, this just makes the transitioning easier because you're not gonna hear it at first, but put your middle finger, right? Your middle finger is gonna go on the 2nd fret on the little E string. So it's gonna be right above your pinky, okay? So and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pluck, and you can use either your fingers, or you can use a pick. I'm just using a pick because it's louder so that you guys can hear it. The other way is probably a little bit easier, but it's whatever you guys want to do. Well, it's easier for me, I'll say. Depends on how good you are at picking. So what you're going to do is you're going to pluck the little E string. Okay, then you're also going to, I guess pick is what I'm saying, pick the B string. And then you're going to pick the open G string. So it sounds... Okay, sorry I messed that up the second time, but then, so after you do it 4 times, I believe it's 4, but listen to it when you play it. So after you do that 4 times, then you're going to lift up your pinky, all right, and then you're just playing with your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the little E string, okay? So then you're gonna do, then you're gonna put your pinky back down. So you do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, maybe it's 5. And then you're gonna lift it off and do it again. Okay, so that's the picking part. Now, I will show you another way that you can do it in standard tuning. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my other guitar, and I'll show you a super easy way to do this. All right. So what you're gonna do, this one's also very easy. All right. So you will put your pinky on the B string on the 7th fret. Your ring finger goes on the 6th fret on the G string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string. Okay, so that one sounds... All right, you can hear how different like they sound because it's like the tuning is different, but and they're just different strings and stuff. So anyway, then what you'll do is, so after you play that, okay, then you're gonna slide your pinky down 1 fret, okay, so that it's on the 6th fret as well, all right? Then you slide it back. See that? That's it. I think the way that's a half step down sounds better and more accurate, but it's up to you, all right? Let me know in the comments which one you think sounds more accurate, all right? Especially you that requested this song, you better let me know which one you think is more accurate. All right, just kidding around, but seriously, just kidding. So, all right, here's how you play the rest of the song, and it's a very easy song. So you're only gonna use 4 chords, so you're gonna use that G that we were talking about for the beginning part. So this is all in a half step down here. So you're doing... Okay, just like that. So for that part, then you're gonna leave your pinky and your ring finger on there on the 3rd fret. Then you're gonna put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the big E string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, that's G. Then you're also going to do D, so very easy. Keep your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. I'm muting the big E string up here. So now you're playing D, all right? Then you're also going to play C, all right? So for C, take them off, put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret, sorry, on the 1st fret on the B string. All right? Then, so that's C, then you're gonna do E minor, very easy. So E minor is middle finger, I mean, you can use whatever fingers you want, but I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, so you can play that picking part through the whole, like through all the verses, all right? You just wouldn't play it for the chorus. Now, but I'm gonna show you how the other chords you can use for if you wanna play with chords. So you use G, and you can be palm muting. Okay, so you'll do G, D, C. Now you can palm mute the verses, meaning that you put that part of your hand as close as you can to the white, not on it, but close to it, and then you will also play, you're gonna be plucking or strumming the bass notes. Sorry, that's wrong. It's actually G, D, C. Did you catch that? Huh? So G, D, C. You got me thinking it'll be alright. So I'm doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing down, 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 down. And you really could just be doing all like straight downs, but I think it sounds a little bit better if you do down, 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 down. So you're doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you're doing, I'll show you a little bit slower the second time. So you can do that, or if you really want to do it acoustically, you can just do you got me thinking it'll be alright. You told me come and take a look inside. So you could just do straight down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so you can do that too. All right, and you can actually just do the alternate, just alternating down, up the whole time. You can do that for like the whole song if you want to. So that's how you play the verse. Okay, you're gonna do U is G, you got. Okay, got is D, got me thinking. Okay, thinking is C, thinking it'll be alright. Then U is G, so then you just start over. You told me, come and take a look. So told is D, and then come is C. Come and take a look inside. U is G, you believed. Okay, believed, the end of it is where you do, it's like the ED part, that's where you do D. Believe me, in every is C, every single lie. But so I is G, I failed. So failed again, you're doing like for the last part of it, like the ED part of failed. Failed you this time. Okay, so time is C, time. All right, then when you go to the chorus, the chord progression is a little bit different, but remember you can still do up down. And it feels like tonight, can't believe I'm broken inside. Okay, so what you're gonna do is G on feels, and it feels is G, feels like is D, like tonight. Okay, tonight is E minor. Tonight, I can't. So can't to C, that's easy to remember. Can't believe. So can't to redo C. Can't believe I'm broke. Okay, so broken is G. All right. Broken. So bro is G. Kin is of broken is D. Kin inside. Can't. So So inside is E minor and can't is C. Can't you see there's nothing? Okay, nothing is G. Nothing that I wanna is D. Wanna do, but try. Okay, but try is E minor. Try to make it up. Up is C, okay? Up to you, and it feels, so it feels, and you're doing the same way at the beginning. At the beginning of the chorus. Feels a G like E minor tonight. C tonight. That's how I would do it if I were playing it acoustically for someone, or like at an open mic night, which Lord knows if we'll ever have those again with all this COVID stuff. But anyway, so that's how you play the song. All right. So then when you go back to the verses, you're just gonna do G, D, C. So the chorus is just G, D, E minor, C, and the verses are just G, D, C. Okay? And then when you go to the bridge, you're going to start with E minor. So for the bridge, you're going to do E minor, G, C, D, E minor, G, C. And you're just doing the alternate strumming for this, okay? All right, so that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun. See you guys next time.